My name is Paul van Wyk. I'm the co-owner and director of AcciDentGuru. We are a panel shop. It's been operating for just close to 10 years now in Port Island. We started AcciDentGuru because both of the owners, myself and Pete Bacchus, are rally drivers, and we always enjoyed working on our cars, and obviously with the accidents that we made with the rally cars we had to repair it, and I started doing sort of panel beating as a hobby. And then I moved to Cape Town 11 years ago, and I worked for a company which was developing the electric car for South Africa called the Joule. Government decided to pull the plug on the project, and we were about 110 engineers looking for work at that stage, and there wasn't lots of work available in Cape Town. I spoke to Pete and he invested, and we started something which we both liked. We said, if you make your hobby your work, then you'll never work again, so that was the idea. We've been in this premises since January 2011, about 2 months away from 10 years now. We've just secured a new premises in Killarney Gardens, Table View area. During the lockdown, I think everybody with businesses had to start looking at how to survive. One of our biggest expenses was the rent, obviously, in this building. It's a huge building, so the rent is quite high. I realized that there was better opportunities available. I started looking around and I found premises which I think is going to make us grow. And we're going to be right next to Killarney basically. We want to support the guys. We're obviously passionate about motorsport in general. We've been helping a few guys like Ian Long with his awesome Auras. We've done the body for him there. Gennaro De Lupini, we've helped him with his car. He had a few big accidents last year and we managed to repair the car in record times. We want to help the guys where we can, and we obviously build our own rally cars, try and support the rally community as well. We've got a program called Car Safe where we try and save cars from being written off. And I think those projects are normally the biggest challenges that we face. We spend a lot of time sourcing parts because the parts bill normally on a car that has a major accident is the highest. We still maintain the same labor and paint quality, but we try and save on the cost of the parts. So we source second-hand parts as well as alternative. And we reduce the bill like that, but it takes quite a lot of effort. And sometimes we get the cost down to about half of what it would cost if we do a normal repair. The classic cars on our social media, which we start basically with a rust bucket. It's like really badly rusted bodies, and we restore those to brand new condition. We've got a Alpha GT Junior which we're currently busy with. I mean, it's a very high value car, but to give you an idea, the client paid 3,000 Rand for this body, so it was like rotten and it was lying on a junkyard. We're restoring that car and it will look like showroom condition. So I think those are the high achievement cars. So with the new move to the new premises in Tableview, we've also decided to move into that area because that's where our biggest customer base was, Tableview, Blouberg and Melkbosstrand. So we tried to move a bit closer to them. The building is also although it's the same square meters, there's much more working space. So we hope to do bigger vehicles. We were limited in this building because we couldn't do like tall vehicles like Crafter, Volkswagen Crafter, that sort of thing, and some trucks. This building is a double-story volume, so we hope to be doing some more commercial vehicles there as well as the classics, because we've got more space, we can fit in more classic vehicles now. Then on the sideline we also started working with SVI Engineering on doing armour vehicles, and we'll be building some of those shortly in Cape Town as well.